It will be a car coming. Go on, man. Damn, that's one thing I can say, but it's like nobody don't want to be in your way till you want to make a video, but you can be cruising all day, not doing nothing productive. As soon as you want to do a video for one.
666. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped her. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped her. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. And as y'all can tell by the title, man, we finna do a POV in the hood, you feel me? I'm finna turn around right quick. You know what I'm saying? Finna just go through the hood, man, you know what I'm saying? Seen a couple kids outside, you feel me? I was about to say, I can't even say the word. Be inspirational to somebody. But, Cari crew, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. As y'all can see, we in custom mode, but I got it in sport, you know what I'm saying? So, I already know when to get in sport, you feel me? Like, ooh. Olivia get nasty, you know what I'm saying, when she in that sport mode, you feel me? And I got the air on, so it's so hot outside with the window cracked. We just finna ride through the hood, man. Make a little noise. Cutting up in the hood a little bit. Look at them folks, look. They looking like, what the world that bug got going on? Y'all see what we got, man. Y'all see, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. Just going through the hood, cutting up on these folk, man. Going through the hood, just cutting up slightly. I'm gonna go that way. I was gonna go that way. Well, it's like a one-way street down there. Should've went that way. Bell Cari crew, man. Man, I ain't gonna lie, man. It's like, I feel like, I ain't gonna say I'm losing my touch, but it just feel like, I don't know, bro. Y'all ain't been tuning in. For real, man. I don't know if it's just cause, you know, some days people be on YouTube. Some days people don't be on YouTube. But it feel like a lot of time, I don't know. I don't think y'all boy be. I don't think y'all boy be tuned in for real no more, man. But I'm gonna get back right though. You know what I mean? Stick 'em. I don't know, man. I feel like these past couple videos, man, y'all ain't been rocking with them, bro. I know they ain't, you know what I'm saying, drifting every turn and all that. I gotta get some more tires anyway, so y'all ain't gonna see no more of that for a minute until we get to the point where, you know what I'm saying, Olivia can buy tires for herself, you know what I'm saying. But until then, y'all ain't gonna see too much of that. Or like I said, y'all boy can bless a nigga on cash out, you know what I'm saying. I get the tires immediately. But we ain't got no tire to do no drifting every turn, so y'all ain't gonna see that for a minute, you know what I mean. But y'all can always get this lovely sound of the car, you feel me? I gotta turn back around. This hood too damn little. You take 2 turns, but you back to the main street. Just like that. This hood too damn little. See if I can get right. It will be a car coming. Go on, man. Damn, that's one thing I can say, but it's like nobody don't want to be in your way till you want to make a video, boy. You can be cruising all day, not doing nothing productive. As soon as you want to do a video for one. Yes, sir. Look at that old lady. But yeah, man, it's like y'all ain't been tuning in for real. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna get right. Look at him, bro. Creeping. Ain't even completely stopped. Creeping. I'm gonna go back that way to the hood, you know what I mean? What the hood I know. But yeah, man, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Tapping in, man. We're gonna get to that 15K, 11K, you know, 11K, 12, 13, 14, you know what I'm saying? All that. We're gonna get there, but I know the bigger we get, the more people gonna watch, you know what I'm saying? I know people still like, he ain't quite got there yet, you know what I'm saying? All just aside, bro. Y'all know how hard it is, man, on the YouTube platform to even get, you know what I'm saying? To even get 10K. Like, it's easy for some folks when it's meant for you. Or like, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, you just get that, I don't know, that blessing. It's a lot of people outside. Y'all just can't see them. But it's hella people that's outside. And they just looking like, what the hell? Yeah, hella people outside. Let's see what's going on. I really ain't gotta talk for real. I just let Olivia do all the talking, man. I just let Olivia do all the talking. Look at all the 4 right there. Boy, it's so hot outside. It made my car get hot quick. It don't be like that on a regular day, but bro, 90, almost 100 degrees. Literally. Here, cuz. That nigga got a muffler right by his damn leg. You know that bit hot. Boy, it's hot, but I ain't gonna lie. I have to roll these windows back up, car. Y'all boys just gonna have I don't know what y'all gonna do, boy. It's hot, bro. The heat is overpowering the AC. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Quick little POV drive through the hood, man. You know what I'm saying? But it's hot outside, car. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I said it seemed like I'd rather do nighttime POV in the summer or when it get like 6 or 7 or 8 o'clock outside. Cause boy, it's so hot out there, bitch. You do one pull, your thermostat hand be in the middle off of one pull. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, man, like y'all boys ain't really, you know what I'm saying? Y'all tuning in, but I don't know. I know some of y'all be at work. Some of y'all be doing whatever y'all do, man. But we're gonna get there though. I know there's a lot of people out here, you know what I'm saying, doing car content. It's hard to stand out from the crowd. But we're gonna get back to it, man. You know what I'm saying? The drifting videos and all that. But like I said, I get some tired. It's gonna be a minute before I get some tired, bro. So or unless y'all want to bless a nigga on Cash App, you know what I'm saying? All y'all send me $1. You know what I'm saying? It be like 800 of y'all to 1,000 of y'all to watch the video. One of y'all can send $1, bro. Y'all nigga lose $1 in the car when you have big ass pockets. You know what I'm saying? So might as well just send $1. You know what I'm saying? Get hella tired. I'll show y'all. I go literally make a video just to get the tire with the $1 y'all sent me. Real talk. No cap. But yeah, man. I don't even know what else to say. Cause it's so hot. I can't even think. It's that hot outside, bro. But man, like, y'all boys just stay tuned, bro. We're gonna get done. I'm getting back in my groove, man. You know what I'm saying? I had to do some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Off of YouTube. I had to do some stuff off YouTube, you know what I'm saying? What the world? Nigga, bro, look at this. It's a line at this chicken place. This nigga in the road, cuz. Move, man, so I can get over. Where you finna pin me off? Damn. Nah, move, bitch. You ain't wanna let me over. Get your corn dog, that weak ass tent, all them bubbles in your damn tent. Nigga finna blow me, bro. You ain't wanna let a nigga get over, but you wanna try to jump back over. Man, get off my ass, man. Before I get mad. My fault, y'all. I forgot I was recording. That jump be blowing me, bro. Like, folks be driving so damn stupid. I'm talking about like dumb as hell. But yeah, man. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all the nigga car. Look at the nigga windows, bro. Look at the nigga window. The back window worse. How your side window like your back window? Your tent. But yeah, man, it just threw me off. I forgot what I was even talking about. I don't know. But yeah, man. Y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get right, man. I just had to take care of some business, you know what I'm saying? So y'all boys just keep tuning in, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't sleep on your boy. You feel me? We got this 10K. We ain't get this 10K for nothing. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boy, keep tuning in, bro. Cause when I get a 15K and all that, and 20K, they fuck on to tune in, and they feel like, oh, it's cool, you know what I'm saying? Cool to watch your boy. But it's like, the way life work, bro, how I see, with the YouTube and anything, like with social media, a couple folks gonna believe in you, but everybody else ain't gonna believe in you until you, you know what I'm saying, you get to that point by yourself without their support. Like, how I got the 10K without a lot of people support that watch me or know me, but they ain't gonna subscribe, you know what I'm saying, or really support me. Until I get to a point, they be like, okay, he done got to this point by himself without my support. Alright, now I'm finna, you know what I'm saying, support, bro. It really be like that. I know y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. I'm probably not saying it right, but I know y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. Like, that junk is like that all the time. Like, people do that shit all the time. And it's true. But, you know what I'm saying, when I get there and prove a lot of folks wrong, man, just watch how, when I get to that certain point, bro, I'm talking about the channel, y'all gonna watch my video one day, then come back the next day, I'm gonna probably jump up 5K subscribers. You can be like, damn. I'm telling you, bro, just watch. Just watch, bro. Man, what are you doing? If you gonna turn, bitch. Oh my God, bro. It's just like, everywhere I go, people just pull out in front of you, girl, like, being weird. But yeah, man. Damn, bro, they be throwing me out. I can't even finish my damn sentence. But yeah, bro, like I was saying, folks just, you know, y'all gonna see, man. Y'all gonna see, bro. I been kind of like, you know what I'm saying, in my head a little bit with the YouTube stuff, man. Sometimes it get to me every now and then. Feel like I ain't doing, you know what I'm saying, enough to what I need to be doing. You know what I'm saying? So y'all don't mind me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that probably just gonna be a wrap for today's video, bro. It's just something slight, man. I wanna, you know what I'm saying, do a quick little hood POV. That hood was little as hell, so I ain't realize it was that damn small. But that hood was little as hell. So yeah. But I see a Mustang hauling ass. What you trying to do, boy? That be hauling ass. I don't even think that's a V8. I ain't even finna mess with him. Y'all Mustang nigga hell. Y'all Mustang niggas hell, boy. But yeah, man. Damn, bro. Like, I keep losing my train of thought, bro. Like, the Mustang flying by, my phone was just ringing. Dang, well, I feel like I'm just doing a horrible video, bro. But y'all boys just respect the grind, man. It's gonna get better, bro. I'm trying to just figure out, you know what I'm saying, a lot of stuff I want to do, bro. You know what I'm saying? With YouTube and everything else, bro. It kind of getting to me a little bit, but I'm gonna stay strong, you feel me? The best way I can. Y'all boys just keep supporting your boy. It mean a lot, bro. Y'all watch the video, like the video, comment, you know what I'm saying funny stuff or whatever, like, you know what I'm saying, what you like about the car. Anything I say that was funny, just like, that keep motivation, you know what I'm saying? That's for any YouTuber. When they see activity, they keep motivation, bro. You don't see no activity, it's like, what I'm doing it for, you know what I'm saying? Especially where I'm at, to the point where I'm at now, you know what I'm saying? I should at least be getting something, you know what I'm saying? So, but I know I gotta bring y'all the heat too, though, you know what I'm saying? I still hold myself accountable. I ain't just gonna sit here and be like, oh, I'm just doing, you know what I'm saying, fantastically, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm still working on it, you feel me? But y'all boy just rock with your boy, man. I'm trying to get there, bro. Cause when I get there and I get that cat, car crew, and I get that cat, cause I know that when everybody gonna be meat running. When I get that cat, bro, just say I told you so, nigga. That's all I'm gonna say. I told you so. And when I get that cat, I know it's gonna be, but I'm telling you, I just can't wait, bro. When I get that cat, car crew, bro, ooh wee, boy. That's all I can say, ooh wee, boy. I'm telling you, that nigga gonna be like, damn, that boy snap. God, that boy done snapped on that ass. Every video gonna be going crazy. Every one. It gonna be effortlessly. Like, I could just post a video, no talking, straight wine, put the camera on the hood. 100K views, just watch, I'm telling you. Cause the way I do it, I do stuff different, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all boys gonna see, man. I'm gonna be giving y'all Hellcat content that niggas ain't doing, bro. Like, niggas is not doing, I'm telling you. It sound easier said than done, but it's gonna be easy for me to do it. Cause I'm already doing it in this. It's just the fact that y'all don't respect Scats for some reason like that. When I get that cat, watch how nigga act, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man. That's enough talking y'all heads off, bro. I just want to give y'all a quick little cut up in the hood, man, and then now I'm just driving and talking. You feel me? But yeah. But, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. Make sure y'all boys stay safe out here in these streets, man, you know what I'm saying? Keep God first. Keep him in the mix. Chase your dreams and don't quit, you feel me? Just don't quit. Slow motion better than no motion, like everybody say, bro. But, yeah, man. Like I also say at the end of my videos, I'm out of here. Like yesterday. Peace.